Natalie, come get it. Come get the items.
You knew about me when you came looking for me. How did you know? Whose chance?
Come on, you can do it. I know you can do it. Come
Are you
on.
connected to the cops that are watching me?
No.
Come on.
Yeah,
Here.
that's crap.
Natalie.
I told you I could never hurt a woman.
When you were a kid, you stole some stuff. To lingerie?
For my girlfriend. It was a stupid bet. And my dad kicked my ass for doing it.
Good job.
You've really been looking at me, huh?
Some people think that sexual violence is genetic.
So because my dad may have raped you.
Hi, Coco. Hi, Coco Kitten. Natalie, you're supposed to be showing everyone at home how you can crawl. Yeah. Let me see it. Come here. Come here. Come see your mom. Come get Coco. Come get us. Come get us. Come on. Natalie, no. Natalie, no. Good girl. Come here. Natalie. Natalie. Hey. Natalie, no. Natalie, no. Listen to mommy. No. Come here. Come here. Hey. You're not listening. No. If you want it, now you can come get it because it's laying down. You don't play with it when it's standing up. Come here. Well, that wasn't very graceful or much crawling. Get Coco. Good job on the sit-ups. Yeah. What are you doing? Natalie, what are you doing? Natalie, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.